Bad news first, if you've been struggling to play fast, it's probably not your fault, it's fault of your technique. If you're feeling stuck and afraid to play some advanced pieces, I can totally understand you. But here are good news. By the end of this video, you will have totally new approach to fast techniques on piano. And the last tip, it will change the way you play forever. It's not a clickbait, it's just professional secrets. And now moving on to technique changing tricks, which are working and making wonders, especially all together. Practice slow motion. I don't say slow tempo, I say slow motion. It's totally different approach. When you're playing slow, your brain should be burning. It's not time to rest. When you're thinking about your future breakfast, it's probably not the way you want to practice. This way you're just wasting time. When the painter works on the new picture, he comes close to it and he sees every little point. He can correct it, and then eventually all those points will make a picture which he wants. What it means for us pianists, we have to control everything. Now I will explain you how. First of all, in this slow tempo, you have to control your fingerings. If you are not used to make fingerings for yourself, because it comes together with hand positioning and with movement optimization, if you don't know how to do it, then please stick to fingering, which is already written for you in the score. Usually, the people who are redacting the score, they know about hand movement, about optimization, and about achieving the particular result of this particular passage. When you have your desired fingering, make sure that you stick to it and you never change it, because your neuron networks are working hard, and then when you will let it go by the fast tempo, it has to happen by itself. So your muscle memory should work. You don't have to think which finger comes next, okay? So it should be automatically. The second thing you have to control is tension-free playing. Please make sure that you are not lifting up your fingers like this, because this actually will not make much difference, but this is the way people kill their hand. Instead, think that each finger should immediately release when its work is done. So you press the key and then you should be relaxed. It doesn't mean that your hand should just fall down. Of course not. But tension is like this and release is like this. Next thing, and very important one, is hand positioning. Basically, we should take care of our thumb, because our fingers are not the same length. So this finger makes the most problems for us. There are two positions of the hand, in black ones and in white ones. When the thumb is hitting the white notes, your arm should be positioned in white keys. When the thumb is on the black key, your whole arm should also lead there. You see, that's why I told you practice slow motion. So many things to control, right? And the most important last thing is about group playing. Basically, it's about finding anchors to have mainstay or pillar of fingers when they are rushing. You have to analyze the passage and find that tiny small movements of the hand to have that pillar and then rushing again and then releasing. These pillars make possible this running movement. So run, pillar, run, pillar, run, pillar. Anchor should be made with the hand. If these techniques were not enough for you and you are still feeling stuck, I can help you personally. I offer private lessons where I will refine your technique and take your playing to the next level. Check the link below to book a session with me. And make sure to subscribe because soon I will be releasing a full masterclass on Fantasy Apop 2 from Chopin. Since I played the passage from it at the beginning, we are going all in, breaking it down step by step. You don't want to miss it. I wish you happy practicing and please let me know which tips were new for you and the most helpful. And maybe you also have some tips to share. I would love to hear from you. Bye.